guys, QMH again, and today I'm gonna tell you that how you can transfer your files and folders to your one PC to another PC, or PC to laptop, or laptop to PC, whatever you want. Suppose you have bought a new PC and you're planning to copy all the files from your old PC or from your laptop to your new PC or your new laptop. So there are few processes that you can follow to copy. There are some basic processes and there are some wire processes that you can follow to copy, just transfer the files. So I will cover all this one by one. So first, in basic process, that you can use a CD. Very simple. You can use a CD or DVD to copy files. Like put the CD in your old PC and burn all the files that you want to copy, and then put it to a new PC and just paste it over there. I will recommend you to use rewritable CDs or rewritable DVDs, because maybe you have your hard disk of your old PC is like around 250 GB, and then a CD comes with only 7 MB. As you can see, here it is, only 7 MB. So it will take so many CDs, like you have to waste so many CDs, and because this is not a rewritable CDs, it will waste after you just copy the files, and no use for this again. So you can use rewritable CD, that you can copy the files again and again and delete all the stuff from your rewritable CD, and then again copy files to your this CD. So it will also save your money and also save the CDs, that only one CD can do all the stuff. Another thing you can do is use thumb drives, or I can say flash drives, or in simple language this is called a pen drive. You can use it, just put it to your old PC and copy the files and folders and all the stuff you want, and just paste it to a new PC. And here I will also recommend you not to use like 2 GB, 4 GB or 8 GB pen drive, because if you want to copy like 200 GB of files and folders, and you are using a 2 GB or 4 GB pen drive, then it will take a long time. Like you have to waste so many time to copy all the files in a single pen drive, then again paste them to a your new PC. So I will recommend you to go for a 16 GB pen drive, 32 GB pen drive, or you can say 64 GB pen drive. That this can save your times, that you can easily copy many high amount of files and folders and stuff, and then you can copy them to your new PC. So second method is try USB flash drive or thumb drive to copy the file and folders to your PC. Another time saving thing is use external hard disks. You can use, there are so many different type of hard disks in market according to their sizes, like 1 TB you will also get 320 GB hard disks, or 500 GB hard disks, or 1 TB hard disks. And if you use them with, like, you want to copy 250 GB of your stuff from old PC to new PC, then, and if you are using a 320 GB or 500 GB hard disk, then it will save a really long time. It will save lots of time, because you can copy many stuff, or almost all the stuff at a like you can copy all the stuff here just in a single time, and you can paste them to your new PC, and obviously it will save your time, and it will be better than using a pen drive or a CD. And if your hard disk, or you wanna copy 250 GB or like 320 GB, then I will recommend you to buy 320 GB hard disks or 500 GB hard disks, or you can lend this thing from your friends if they have. So just copy all the files and folders at a time in this one and paste it to your new PC. So these are the three things that you can use to transfer your file from old PC to new PC. But these are the basic things that almost many of people know all things about this, and they also tried all this. But now what I'm going to tell you that how you can transfer files using wire methods, like cable methods I can also say. So for that you will need that this type of cables, like this type of cables, and it will cost around $2 or $1.5, and in Indian currency it costs 60 rupees, and it's also cheap. You can see there are two different ports are there. One is for the USB plugging. You can plug into your PC USB port or 2.0 USB port, and this is a USB port, you can say. And this is a USB port where you can put your pen drives or like another adjustable, as you can see. And there are two different type of ports are there. So you can plug this one to your old PC's USB port, and you can use this one for your new PC. And because it's a PC port, it's a USB port, so you will need this type of things to transfer files. So for this you will need this thing. This is a USB connector, you can say USB connector with two faces or two ports in both ends, both side ends. So just plug this in to your USB port of this cable, and now you have two same USB ports that you can plug into your you can plug into your new PC and one with your old PC, and you can transfer the files and folders very easily. So another thing you can use according to this cable, or in place of this cable, you can say this thing. This is called wire transferring port, or something you can say. It's a travel computer cable, they said. When I went to buy, they said it's a travel computer cable. So you can extend it like this. You can extend it according to your use, and it also comes with a port, 2.0 USB port, and another side it got a connector, USB connector. So here you also need this thing. Where did I put it? Yeah, here also you will need this thing, this connector. Just connect it with this one, and you have the same ends in both cases. So you can just extend it, and one you can put it to a new PC, and one you can put it in your old PC, and you can easily transfer the files. So another way or another process that you can use, and it's a very quite like complicated process, that you need to set up many things to your PC or laptops to transfer file. This is called the Ethernet cable method. You can see there are two different type of USB, or two different type of connectors. Ethernet cable, you will find this type of port on the back side of your CPU, your PC, and side you can also find it to your laptop. According to like side of this laptop, you will find this type of ports. You can connect it to your laptop or desktop, and another side you can also connect it to your old one, or old desktop or laptop, And after that you have connected these two things, you need to set up few things to your PC so that you can transfer files or copy files. And the setups are quite complicated. I have to show you that how you can do it or how you can set up, but this is a very time saving, or you can say it's a very popular method that you can transfer files for very fast. The copying speed is, I was doing few weeks ago, the copying speed they were giving with this cable was like 500 sorry 50 mbps to 70 mbps, and it also up and down, like sometime it goes to 100 mbps per mbps copying speed, and sometimes it comes like 30, according to the files, according to the file size, uh, the copying rate will change. So in next video I will show you that how you can use these cables and can set up your PC to use them. So that's all from my next video.